Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome once again to my channel Realtor from Dubai. If you are familiar with the sports, then you must be recognizing this background behind me. We are in Dubai Sports City. This is Dubai International Stadium. Today I'm going to tell you about one particular project which is just minutes away from this Dubai International Stadium, and it has a record of selling out all the phases on the launch day. They have launched 7 phases till now, and every single phase has got sold out on the launch day itself. I'm talking about Tilal Al Ghaf community. Tilal Al Ghaf has launched so far 7 phases, in which 3 phases were townhouses, 3 phases were independent villas, and 1 of semi-detached villas. All units got sold out during launch day. Now you can imagine the kind of project Tilal Al Ghaf is offering and the kind of popularity Tilal Al Ghaf enjoys. So in today's vlog, I'm going to tell you everything about Tilal Al Ghaf. So let's begin today's video by me showing you the neighborhood of Tilal Al Ghaf. Let's go. So now we are moving from Dubai International Stadium to Tilal Al Ghaf community. On the way, I will show you the neighborhood around, which is already existing, the kind of retail facilities, restaurants, cafes which are there. I will show you that, and then I will take you to Tilal Al Ghaf community, where I will explain the master plan, and I will show you the show villa which is in the community. So right in front of you, you can see the ICC Academy, where the International Cricket Council is having the head office. Plus the major championships which are happening in Dubai in next couple of months are Indian Premier League, which is been the major attraction for cricket enthusiasts. Plus there is going to be a T20 World Cup also, which is officially being hosted by Dubai and Oman, UAE and Oman. So you can see this particular stadium, Dubai International Stadium, is gaining a lot of popularity, and it is considered as the neutral venue for the tournaments. It has very good infrastructure, it has very good facilities. So before going to Tilal Al Ghaf community, I will take you to the Motor City area, which has recently gained very popularity, and lot of retail outlets, lot of restaurants have opened in Motor City. And from Sports City, the next destination is Tilal Al Ghaf. But let me just take you to the neighborhood just to show you around how it is coming up. So this is a part of Motor City, which is known for the classic villas and apartments. Also recently it has got a lot of retail destinations. It has got an autodrome also, and that's why it is mainly called as Motor City. There are a lot of supermarkets have opened up. Carrefour is there, Waitrose is there, Spinneys is there. So you can see, as I said, a lot of supermarkets are already there. On your left is Autodrome, where you have Ferrari racing track as well. So a lot of sports events, especially racing events, they take place on the Autodrome. There is Medicare hospital also on your right. Aster Pharmacy is also there. So healthcare is being taken care of, retail is being taken care of. In short, this has got everything, so you don't have to go outside for anything. It's just a minute's drive. So the major restaurants of Dubai, they have opened up their outlets or franchises in Motor City. There's Kana Cafe, then you have other Al Safadi restaurants. All these outlets are here. So as I said, there are restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, healthcare facilities. This is the Avenue Mall. So in short, this area has got that development which you look for in a neighborhood. Though Tilal Al Ghaf will have its own retail area, it's going to have one of the largest Carrefour in the Middle East in the community. It will have the Royal Grammar School, which is one of the first branch of Royal Grammar School, which is based in UK. So now I will also show you the other villa communities which are nearby. Let's say Arabian Ranches, Damac Hills is also nearby. So we will just pass through them so that you will get a better idea about the location. So we are now exiting from Motor City, and on the way we will see Arabian Ranches 1. We will also see Damac Hills. So what you're seeing in front on left is Arabian Ranches 1 by Emaar, one of the most famous communities in Dubai. It's quite old one, but still has it has retained its charm. It's a weekday in the afternoon, and still you can see a lot of traffic, because this area is majorly for villas and townhouses. All the major villa and townhouses communities you will find in this area, Dubai Land, Motor City, surrounding area. So you have got, as I said, Arabian Ranches 1, Arabian Ranches 2, Damac Hills, you have got Mudon, you got Serena, Town Square by Nashama, Tilal Al Ghaf. All the communities are in this area, and that's the reason this is very popular destination if you're looking for townhouse and villa. On your right is the Studio City. Now it is named as in Studio City because there are a lot of studios in the sense film studios, digital studios are there. So a lot of that kind of work related to media takes place here, hence it is named Studio City. So now we are going towards Damac Hills, and from there we will go to Tilal Al Ghaf. There is one more popular place here, which is Polo and Equestrian Club, which is on your right. It's also again by Emaar. It's a very famous polo club. So now we are going to the Academic City Road, which will take us to Tilal Al Ghaf. Now one more important fact about this particular Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan street is this road where we are just going now will have a metro connectivity in the future. As per the plans of Vision 2030, this road will have a metro line which will connect Dubai International Airport and Al Maktoum International Airport. So this road has a very significant role to play in Dubai's future. On your left, what you are seeing is the Damac Hills, a ready and established community with the golf course living. They have townhouses, villas and apartments as well. Also, as I mentioned, Tilal Al Ghaf will have the region's biggest Carrefour within the community. That we were told it's around 3,000 square meter or something, which is going to be the huge. That will give an added advantage to the people who are living in the community as well as the people who are living in the neighborhood. So now I have shown you the neighborhood of Tilal Al Ghaf. Let's go and check out the master plan and the show villa which is in the community. So we have entered into the community. You can see the construction work is in full swing for Elan townhouses, the delivery of which is scheduled next year. I will just show you the school also, which is here, the Royal Grammar School. You can see it is fully developed, and as I said, they will start the operations in this year after the summer vacations. So to talk about Tilal Al Ghaf as a community, the major attraction of Tilal Al Ghaf is its 70,000 square meters crystal lagoon, which is swimmable lagoon. So you can swim in this lagoon. 10% of that lagoon is already ready, it's already there, and the rest of the work is going on. They have launched 7 phases, 3 phases of townhouses, which are Elan 1, 2, 3. Those were launched in 2020. Then they launched 3 phases of independent villas called Harmony 1, 2, 3. And they launched 1 phase of semi-detached villas, that is Aura. All of these got sold out, and most likely we will have another launch of semi-detached villas very soon. So let's go and find out how the master plan looks like and how the show villa is. So this is the entire master plan of Tilal Al Ghaf, spread over 3 million square feet of land area. It has got the townhouses, Elan, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. It has got Harmony independent villas, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom. Everything is almost sold out. It has got a crystal lagoon also, which is spread over 70,000 square meter of land, 10% of which is already ready. Then, as I spoke about, the Royal Grammar School, that's also ready and will be operational this year. They are making a biggest carrefour also on the land, and it is very accessible from all the parts of the city. So now we have seen the master plan of Tilal Al Ghaf. So let's go and check out the show villa of Tilal Al Ghaf. So this is the show villa of Tilal Al Ghaf. As you can see, a massive dining area and equally beautiful backyard with swimming pool arrangement. Lots of space in the backyard as well. The massive living area is very lightful with floor to ceiling windows. You can see a semi-open kitchen as well with the maid's room. There is an access to the backyard as well. So in short, the space utilization is very good in this villa. You can see the finishing is also good. The quality is also good. There is 1 bedroom on the ground floor, but let's go and check out the first floor, which has 3 other bedrooms. So the quality, as I said, is very nice. It's amazing. On the first floor, you have a master bedroom and a family living area. Let's go and check out the master bedroom, which has walk-in closets. As you can see, look at the size of the master bedroom. It's huge one. Also, the floor to ceiling windows gives plenty of light in the bedroom. Closets are there. The big bathroom is also there. Now, Tilal Al Ghaf villas are comparatively spacious than other properties in the neighborhood. You also have a study room on the first floor, and there is a family living area also. In some units you will get, in some units you won't. And there are 2 other bedrooms. I won't be able to show you all those because of the time restrictions. This is the 1 bedroom. So we have seen the show villa of Tilal Al Ghaf. They have done it very nice. And in terms about the project, the new upcoming launch will be semi-detached villas and townhouses. They have already launched semi-detached villas called Aura phase 1 and 2, where the starting prices were 2.4 million going up to 2.8 million. The sizes were around 3,400 square feet. So we can expect similar sizes, but the price will be a little bit higher. Let's say around 2.6 million dirhams for a 4-bedroom semi-detached townhouses. That's what we are expecting. For townhouses, they have previously launched Elan townhouses, wherein the sizes were around 2,000 square feet going up to 2,500 square feet for 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom townhouses. In this launch, we are expecting a similar sizes, but the price range would be around 1.7 million, 1.8 million for a 3-bedroom townhouse. For 4-bedroom townhouse, it will be around 2.1 to 2.2 million. That's what we are expecting. Now, if you need any further details, all you have to do is call me on my contact number, which is 971 54771 7848. You can also reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is Realtor from Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this video, the entire tour of Tilal Al Ghaf, and if you find it helpful and informative, please do subscribe to the channel, because that motivates me to make more such videos in the future. If you like my content which I post on YouTube, like the video, share it with your friends and colleagues, comment your feedbacks and suggestions. If you need any help regarding Dubai real estate, all you have to do is contact me on my contact number as well as in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday with yet another vlog wherein I will show you yet another project of Dubai where you can invest. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.